In this video, I will be discussing about fleas, types of fleas, rat fleas and sand fleas. Fleas are small, wingless, blood-sucking ectoparasites of mammals and birds. These insects have hard chitinous exoskeleton. This exoskeleton it is covered with short bristles. Types of fleas. In India, we can find 37 species of fleas. Out of these species, there are few fleas which are of public health importance. It includes Oriental rat fleas, temperate zone rat fleas, human fleas, dog and cat fleas, sand fleas. Sand fleas are also known as jigger or chigo fleas. It's oriental rat flea in this image. There are three important species. It includes Xenopsilla chiopsis, Xenopsilla astia, and Xenopsilla brasiliensis. Temperate zone rat flea. In this image, you can find important species of temperate zone rat flea. It is Nosopsilla fasciatus. It is rarely found in India. Human fleas, it's Pulex irritans. It has wide host range. Along with man, it also infests rats, cats, dogs, pigs, and foxes. Dog fleas and cat fleas. Dog flea is known as Ctenocephalus canis and cat flea is known as Ctenocephalus felis. You can see images of dog flea and cat flea. Sand fleas, also known as jigger fleas or chigo fleas. Important species is Tunga penetrans. Let's see details of rat fleas. Body of rat flea is divided into three parts: head, thorax and abdomen. Head of the rat flea is conical in shape and it is attached to the thorax without neck. Head bears short, piercing mouth parts which helps the flea for blood sucking. Thorax has 3 segments and 3 pairs of legs. Abdomen consists of 10 segments. In female rat flea, there is presence of spermatheca in abdomen. This helps in identification of the species of rat fleas. Life history of rat fleas. There are 4 stages in the life history of fleas. It includes egg, larva, pupa and adult stage. Egg stage. Eggs are small in size. They are ovoid in shape, white in color. Eggs of rat flea are deposited among the hairs of animal host. A female may lay down 2 to 6 eggs at one time, and in its entire lifetime, it may lay about 300 to 400 eggs. Within 2 to 7 days, eggs hatch into larvae. Next stage is larva. Larvae are also small. They are also whitish in color, but they do not have legs. There are 3 larval stages. Last stage spins cocoon. Larvae feed on organic matter and the blood present in the feces of adult flea. Duration of larval stage is about 2 weeks. Third stage in life history of rat flea is pupa. Pupa develops inside the cocoon and pupal stage remains for 1 to 2 weeks. Adult flea has 3 pairs of legs. Within 3 weeks, life cycle of rat flea gets completed. Lifespan of rat fleas in tropical areas, normal lifespan is about 1 month, but infected flea may survive for 1 year also, whereas in burrow microclimate, some species may survive even up to 4 years. Where we can find rat fleas? Rat fleas are found on their hosts, in the burrows, in the cracks and crevices, on the ground, even in the human dwellings, under the carpets, and in the nests. How these rat fleas gets transported? Rat fleas gets transported passively on their hosts or by transport vehicles or on the persons or in the luggage or by movement of goods like grain, gunny bags, etc. What are habits of rat fleas? Both sexes, like males as well as females, bites and takes blood meal. They feed once daily or sometimes they may feed more often. Rat fleas are wingless insects, so they cannot fly, but they can make jumps. They can make horizontal jumps or they can make vertical jumps. Horizontal jumps, rat flea can cover distance of about 6 inches. Vertical jumps, the distance covered in vertical jumps, it depends upon the states whether rat flea has starved or whether rat flea has gouged. If it is starved, it can cover distance of about 4 inches, and if it is gouged, it can cover distance of about 3 inches. Flea surveys. In rat flea survey, these flea indices are used. First is general flea index. It is average number of fleas of all species per rodent. Second index is specific flea index like species of Xenopsilla cheopsis index or Xenopsilla astia index. It is average number of fleas of specific species found per rodent. Third index is percentage incidence of specific flea species. It is percentage of fleas of each species found per rodent. Fourth index is rodent infestation rate. It is percentage of rodents infested with various species of rat fleas. Fifth index is burrow index. It is average number of free living fleas per species per rodent burrow. These flea indices are very useful indicators of occurrence of plague outbreak in plague endemic areas. Fleas and human diseases. The diseases transmitted by fleas includes bubonic plague, endemic typhus or marine typhus, shigellosis and hymenolithiasis. Mode of transmission. Fleas can transmit infection by biting, by mechanical transmission or through feces. Biting infected rat fleas can transmit infectious agent through bites. Example is plague. When rat fleas infected with Yersinia pestis bites to human, they can transmit plague. Mechanical transmission. It occurs through proboscis if flea has taken recent blood meal from infected rodent. Transmission through feces. Fleas defecates while feeding. Fecal drop contains numerous bacilli, and when the host scratches over the flea bitten area, there is direct inoculation of infective agent. Control of fleas. Fleas can be controlled by using insecticides or by using repellents or by controlling rodents in our environment. For insecticidal control, insecticides like DDT, Linden, or Deldrin can be used. If resistance has developed to these insecticides, then we can use 2% diazinon or carbaryl or 5% malathion. Second control measure is use of repellents. Most effective repellents includes diethyl toluamide and benzyl benzoate. Clothes can be impregnated by using repellent diethyl toluamide. Third important aspect in control of fleas includes control of rodents. Rodents can be controlled by using anti-rodent measures. Sanitation measures. It includes proper collection and disposal of garbage, proper storage of foodstuffs, construction of rat-proof buildings, and elimination of rat burrows. Trapping of rats is effective anti-rodent measure. For controlling rodents, we can use rodenticides like zinc phosphide, barium carbonate, etc. We can do fumigation by using fumigants like carbon disulfide, sulfur dioxide, and cyanogas. Sand flea, it is also known as jigger flea or chigo flea. It is found in tropical regions of Africa and America. Sandy soil is favorable for growth of sand fleas. Host of sand fleas includes domestic animals. Sand flea of public health importance is Tunga penetrans. Fertilized female sand flea burrows into the skin of the feet. Most often, it affects the portion beneath the nail and causes ulcers. Tunga penetrans sand flea are responsible for causing tungiasis. Recap. In this video, we tried to understand fleas, different types of fleas, that is oriental rat fleas, temperate zone rat fleas, human fleas, dog and cat fleas, and sand fleas. Diseases transmitted by fleas includes bubonic plague, endemic or marine typhus, shigellosis, and hymenolithiasis. We also discussed sand flea, important species Tunga penetrans responsible for causing tungiasis.